Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Sitting tall, begin to alternate reaching one arm down the leg of your chair, moving from right to left, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair, and the opposite arm up and overhead. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, creating more space and ease through your side body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, cross your arms out in front of your chest. Inhale at center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Working through your obliques. Continue here or adding a knee raise. Inhale at center, exhale twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, moving from your waist, working through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.